Legal separation has all the dynamics of divorce, except at the end of the day, you're legally separated instead of divorced. So most attorneys are not a fan of legal separation. I just want to let you know that right off the top. Why would legal separation be a good option? Well, sometimes it's because there's some issue in the marriage. It can be addiction, it can be gambling, it can be a number of different things. It might be issues around finances. There's some kind of issue going on that there needs to be safety, typically around financial matters. And when those things are set in place, then the parties still have a chance to possibly reconcile the relationship. And so legal separation is typically people, sometimes with a faith background, they're against divorce and they're willing to be legally separated, but they don't want to be actually divorced. Sometimes it's for financial concerns, to put boundaries around financial pieces and to have some very strong legal boundaries there. And other times it's just seems to be the best option that the couple has decided to work toward. So here's all the things that are needed in a legal separation. You are going to separate all your finances. So you're going to, whatever you're going to do about retirement assets, investments, property, all those things will be separated just like you would if you're divorced. If you have children, you're going to have a parenting plan. You're going to have a way in which you're going to know when you're going to see your children and when the other party's going to see the children. You're going to work out child support. You're going to work out all those kinds of things just like divorce. So all those factors are exactly the same as divorce, other than at the end of the day you are legally separated as opposed to being married. So that's why a lot of attorneys would prefer that you just go ahead and go through the divorce process, because then things don't get muddy again. Because sometimes what people do is we go through all the effort of doing this legal separation and then they start commingling their assets again, and then the waters become muddy. So that's why attorneys typically want to steer people toward divorce as opposed to legal separation. However, some of my clients have chosen legal separation for some of the reasons I just spoke about, and it's worked for them. Some have gone ahead and converted that legal separation into a divorce, which is usually typically fairly easy to do it if you do it within a 2-year time period. And others have actually reconciled. So it is a viable option you might want to consider as you think about the whole process of divorce.